we're going to look at the dynamic auscultation of the murmurs. So before we begin, we would like to ask a question, that is, in terms of hand grip, how was the murmur? What are the findings in terms of the hand grip? So in this video, we'll find the answers to these questions and we'll learn in detail. So to begin with, firstly we'll look at the bedside manuals and the process will be, we'll look at the bedside manuals and we will compare the effects. So to begin with, first the inspiration. So in terms of the inspiration, what are the findings? So in terms of inspiration, there is a increase of VR, that is a venous